darating ang panahon na siya'y makikisama sa kanyang asawa. At sa buhay ng dalawa nating kapatid na ito, dumating ang sandaling ito.
To the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back.
I'm so happy na ikakasal ka na. Love your wife, katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo.
Kaya kung mahal ninyo ang anak ninyo, mas lalong mamahalin ni Brad Mark yan, sapagkat ang katwiran ng Panginoong Diyos ang kanyang gagamitin sa pagmamahal sa inyo.
Control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. Gotta leave this all behind, for with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can control. Oh, round and around it goes. And all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you.
Mark, kasamang ihaharap niya ang kanyang asawa at mga anak na naipagtagumpay niya ang pag-akay at pagtutulong sa kanila.
So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours.
Ako ay nangangako sa Diyos na pamumuluhan ko ang aking asawa ayon sa katwiran ng Panginoon at iibigin gaya ng sarili.
Maaari mo nang halikan ang iyong asawa, kapatid naman.